Now, back to the earlier story we told you about the Kano Emirate tussle. We have a new central correspondent in Kano, Emmanuel Bagudu, live for updates in this matter. Good afternoon, Emmanuel, and thanks for joining us on the news.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah, Emmanuel, can you keep us up to speed with the latest developments in Kano with regards to this Emirate tussle?
It's a long-awaited judgment. Of course, it just struck up the conversation. I mean, the Emirates also have to, it's still ongoing. When you look at Kano currently, we have two emirs. One is living at the Gidan Palace, and the one living at the Gidan Palace. Now, this judgment has a lot of significance, a lot of impact on what will happen in Kano in the next few days. So it simply means that we are looking out for a situation whereby of course, the State High Court, backed Mohammed Sanusi II is going to, be vindicated for the fact that, of course, the Federal High Court lacked jurisdiction to, listen to the case. And, of course, the State High Court has always backed him. So the person who is, with this judgment officially, the person who is officially the authentic emir of Kano right now is Mohammed Sanusi II and not Ado Bayero. Thank you.
Now, staying with you, Emmanuel, have you spoken to any of the stakeholders involved in this tussle, and have they released any statements with regards to the latest development?
Yes, it's too early, of course, to assume what the stakeholders will be saying, because they are just looking at the judgment just came out this afternoon. The appellate court judgment just came out this afternoon, and they are studying the content of that judgment, which, of course, don't forget, we still have the Supreme Court, which they have the right to also appeal in 21 days. So, these are the conversations that we expect to see in the next few days. But for now, as far as the law is concerned, the authentic emir of Kano is Mohammed Sanusi II, since the appeal court have overruled and said, of course, the Federal High Court doesn't have any jurisdiction to listen to the case. And of course, the State High Court of Kano has backed Mohammed Sanusi II and have declared Mohammed Ado Bayero not the emir, rather Mohammed Sanusi II, the authentic emir of Kano. So, of course, we expect that conversation to go on the next few days. And whether they are going to appeal or not, we're going to find out in few days to come. Yeah.
Now, finally, before I let you go, Emmanuel, what's the general mood in Kano like this afternoon following?
The general mood is full of celebration for the part of Sanusi, of course, Mohammed Sanusi II. Of course, he's been backed by the state government, the state governor. Is being backed by the current government of Kano State. Of course, the general mood is, mixed feelings. Those from the Ado Bayero side are very angry. Those from the, Mohammed Sanusi II, divide are very, very happy because judgment is in their favor. Because they believe that they don't have any reason, the federal government doesn't have any reason to interfere in chieftaincy matters of their state. And they have been vindicated and they are very, very happy. But of course, those from the axis of the Ado Bayero, of course, who are actually proponents, and of course the supporters of the former governor, Abdullah Ganduje, who is actually the one that installed Ado Bayero. They are not happy about it. So it's just to say that the Emirate doesn't have resumed, so to say. So that's the situation.
Thank you very much, Emmanuel Bagudu. We'll get back to you in subsequent bulletins. Thank you for that.
For now.